Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to put down Pro Peat, and I got this for free because I finally won something through Jimmy Lewis. So what I won is the Pro Peat 1358 NPK, 13% nitrogen, 5% phosphorus, and 8% potassium. So I actually love this stuff. I've been following them on Instagram for a long time, and I've never got my hands on one of these bags. It's a 25-pound bag. They derive a lot of their stuff from peat, which is the name. So it's a high carbon, slow release fertilizer. All right, so I'm gonna be putting down a 1/4 pound nitrogen today, which I've already done the math, is about a quarter of this bag. So I think there's 3.5 pounds of nitrogen in the whole bag. 1/4 pound for about 3,500 feet is a quarter of the bag. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna throw it down. I really need a nice recovery on this lawn since we scalped it. It's not doing all that great. So I've stressed my lawn out. I need some recovery. We're getting to some lower temperatures here. We're gonna get back in the 90s for a couple days with some storms, which is good. We need some storms because we need the nitrogen and the rain. It's going to get back down in the 70s, the low 80s for like a week. I think we're going to get a nice recovery going on. And we'll give it some kick with a little bit of nitrogen, a little bit of phosphorus, and a little bit of potassium. Side note, I've put zero potassium. No. Side note, I've put zero zilch phosphorus on my lawn this year because I had a high phosphorus rating on my soil test. So why put any down? And it's done great. The roots feel really good and tough, so I'm good. We'll see what a soil test says next year, and we'll readjust from there. So 1/4 pound, throw down, and then we're going to put some water on top with a sprayer. We'll just walk it around, let that kind of get settled in. This is a greens grade. It's a greens grade, so it's probably really fine. It's also Ginja approved, which is cool. Not do this on the grass. I'm only doing it because I don't feel like moving. I've got my camera set up, so. A little more, I'd say. There we go. Alright guys, it's been 48 hours since I put down the Pro Peat. We're gonna get some storms tonight. We've got a few storms already. I don't know if you can see this, but it is starting to come back. I'm getting a lot more green. I just need it to tighten up quite a bit. So we're gonna give it a mow, throw some stripes on it, and see what it looks like. We'll see if there's a before and after that's better. I don't know if I killed it. I don't know if this is bad. It might just look like crap the rest of the summer, but that's okay. So one of my goals here is keep this short all summer. I'm gonna start watering here once the rains kind of go away, and I just hope I didn't do any damage to it. That would suck. But I think this shows that you can do a lot of damage to your lawn, still get it to recover in the 85 degree, 90 degree temperature range, as long as you're putting some water down, you're getting a good fertilizer program, and you're taking care of any fungicides or anything like that. I don't really have any results to show from the fungicides I put down last week. I mean, everything's coming back, it's looking good. It's a lot of brown, a lot of kind of small bare areas between every piece of grass, but that's because the grass was 1 inch to 2 inches tall, and we brought it down to below 1 inch. So it's just gonna start spreading and tightening it up and looking good. So before we start the mow too, let's go ahead and take a look at the importance of good genetics in your grass and the type of seed you choose for renovation. This lawn looks green when I add iron, but check out this without adding iron. So you guys should be able to see this distinct line. We've got the new good genetics, good cultivars right here of the ryegrass, and then we have Kentucky bluegrass right in this area, a little bit of fescue, a little bit of rye, but not much, mostly fescue and bluegrass, and you can just tell the difference. I mean, dark, lime green. Definitely, if you're gonna do a renovation, start planning ahead, get yourself a really good premium cultivar, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still kind of in the selection process. Would definitely want to hear in the comments below what you think I should put in this lawn for the renovation. I'm leaning between either 100% bluegrass or 100% ryegrass, but I think maybe somewhere in between, so we do like a 90% Kentucky bluegrass and then like a 10% perennial ryegrass. Oh shoot, that's sedge. There's sedge coming from my yard in a place that it's never come up before. It's definitely yellow nut sedge. Crap. Well, time to get some sedge hammer. All right guys, so I'm gonna do some perimeter passes and we will get this thing low and throw some stripes down, and look at this messy tree. This is stupid, stupid freaking locust tree. Hate it. Sucks is we're gonna have all these storms come back through and just blow all the dead crap in this tree down again. And that's gonna happen in like 5 hours. Pretty crazy storms, so yeah, watch that. I'll throw the drone up and we'll see if we can get like a big old supercell thunderstorm in the video. Guys, that does it for me. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for all the comments. Definitely comment below if you think my yard sucks or what kind of seed I should use for the renovation, and we will see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.